You know, say, you have a look up miserable side.
So what? You're miserable too.
Alright,
I'm full of attitude.
confirm.
What happened?
Oh boy, money let them body come out account. Nobody never like.
Take it for me.
No, make it see. No, don't get up. Scroll.
No.
No, scroll, baby. Scroll past it. Past it.
Let's pray.
Let me take that money.
Yes, I know my dress is look good.
No, sister, analyze Baba's cake yesterday.
So
me
my
up line up
dress
send
look
chat in
good.
at me man, the body
Like
live
that,
as me
yeah,
man
I'm
come they
looking
come
for my
analyze
dress.
me pee shot in nice skin. No, see that yesterday. We don't look funny for you right now. Baba's cake they analyze him yesterday when in the stream. Just like when they analyze Naya and Bossed and many more. Guys, we don't need to stop. Go out on the road.
One honey. Comment section. Comment the drop be blue art now. Now move so let me read.
Guys, me not lie to you. Me know say, God no, me sorry man, the babe. Right? But me not lie to you. Me know say my dress look good. Me not ask Christ. You understand? Put on my dress. My man say, babe, your dress look nice. You get me? So, me don't know how them are going to come talk about what brand and what that. Yo, bro, bad mind is a hell of a thing because the dress nice. And my daughter look at me and say, mommy, please, me I beg you to mash up that dress. And I love the dress, mommy. You understand? No, sir. Me never know some people can say wicked and bad mind.
Bad mind, bro.
Oh no, no people out there wicked enough. Me say the girl sit down for me. Imani lesbian girl over there to write it. Will I talk about what brand that me have on and that I know. What you say? That I know what? Like in a chest said that I know.
Say the dog there attempts are Gucci.
But them try to say. So what the fuck? You spend your good money for your dress. You spend good money for your dress. You don't want money for my dress. You don't want money me pay for that dress. They want to see that. And I know common store me buy that outer. Ask any girl about down KFC, right side of Knoxford. Ask if any cheap clothes sell over there. So my video the place. Ask them anywhere down there so side of Knoxford, the store where the side of Knoxford we sell a designer dress them. Ask them if no cheap clothes sell down there so. Yeah? Ask them that. Bad mind girl. And it please what? Where you tell me please but? I want to know where you tell me please about. I want to know what the please sir. Oh Annie.
One look out.
No, don't
one of them
look at me call her name. I thinking Shay we are talking my name.
Shay we are 6 old man in the wheelchair.
Higher flame. You understand me? Higher flame, look out their money. You better go give Britney her money or thieving girl. But she want go do body. I come go like she sorry for Brit, but she come to Jamaica. She never come a blood clot Jamaica come do nothing at all if look after him pitney and nothing at all. And you want come here so come boy ma come look for Brit. You want play a pitiful card because she want money. Eh? A pity card she look but she come a Jamaica come look for Brit. And money look a stinking girl look. Oh, all I want to know go on I couldn't know the game and know the chop. You understand? That shit. When I go and I could friend for people, my friend for no girl up here so. No girl mouth come like a market mouth to blood clot, come like a fish market. All fish mouth. Yeah? And a dirty girl they may attack. Well live from people business 24/7. When I go on like Shay cute. Shay look rough like some blood clot man. Tough no blood clot. Yeah? All them they out there. You watch me and the man with me. And them send requests come over here, you know, like a fuck, they not come fuck with me, you know. But me say, babe, inside. I did want blood clean inside today, you know, because me say, me and Shay would have rubber dub today, you know. I would have rolled down a dirty with Shay. Remember me tell you. Yeah. Out of Adam bride. When you look at thinking echo fishy mouth girl round the back of echo. What kind of dress that? You look at thinking. Eh? Me dear me and go dear me na hypocrite too. Who them?
And Zuma.
Go on.
Zuma we disappointed there?
Yes, that thinking Zuma.
Annie, what me and you have? I'm glad dear me and you. Anyway, me and you, I'm see you diss me.
The Zuma, you know this me?
Oh, me diss Annie more than run be a joke. Annie, say really big, can't take me serious. Look how TikTok police, tell the truth, bro. Me and you run some serious show enough time. And this a picture that, bro. Ever see me get violent going on, you know?
Zuma.
Annie, me not diss you more than me there. I true one that I joke, bro.
Well, I know, it's all we can talk one time.
Alright, talk, my mother, talk.
And this back and cuss out your backside, you have to say, why me this? Zuma, more one time you diss me, I run me, you know. I'm never answer you yet, you know.
I ain't know this. Yeah, I'm not having a match, yo. I don't want to reason, you know. I ain't know this, Annie, it called surely.
So why you talking to me, King? How you so done, that?
Come on, give me a jump, and give me a bump.
If you reason with the people, we can talk and we all can make things together.
Alright. Start, man, start. Fuck down with it.
So you good, like, none of it can make things because you had just big and you're good. Thank you.
Alright, this, Annie.
Feel like you can't con these people. I said, what do Zuma diss me up?
Are you a real police? Alright, so just showing you. It's now colorful. See? Thank you, rich one. See that? But the thing is, there is nothing inside this book. It's just look that way because I want you to see. So let's go. You won't see anything else. Look.